In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create logo animations in After Effects in a short time, and how to improve an ordinary image or icon using layer styles. Let's get started. First, create a new composition and import the PNG logo or icon. After dragging the logo to the workspace, add drop shadow and gradient overlay from the layer styles. Open the drop shadow settings, set the blend mode to normal, the opacity to 100, and the shadow color to our desired color. Set the distance value to 15 and the size value to 0. Also set the angle value to something between 170 and 180. Then open the gradient overlay settings and set the primary and secondary gradient colors to white. Add a new color point in the center and set its color to gray. Then, open the scale value and activate the keyframe. Set the initial scale value to 80. Move forward 1 second and 15 frames, and set the scale to 100. Then go back to the last second and set the scale back to 80. Add the CC light burst effect from the Effects panel. Set the ray length to 0. Start the ray length keyframe in the first frame. You can use the U shortcut to see the keyframes. Go to 1 second and 15 frames, and set the ray length to 180. Go to the last second and copy and paste the first ray length keyframe. Select all the keyframes and apply Easy Ease. Adjust the speed graph like this. That's all. If you've watched this far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.